Understanding Move to a later date. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase, move to a later date. Whether you're navigating work schedules, planning events, or simply making personal plans, this phrase is a handy tool in your language toolkit. Let's break it down together. When we say we're going to move something to a later date, we are talking about rescheduling an event, appointment, or any planned activity to a future time. This doesn't mean canceling. Rather, it means postponing it to a new date that is more convenient or possible for the involved parties. This phrase is often used in professional, academic, and personal contexts. Professional context. In work settings, meetings, deadlines, or projects might be moved to a later date due to unforeseen circumstances, such as a team member's illness or the need for more preparation time. It's a polite and formal way to inform others of schedule changes. Academic context. For students and educators, exams, assignments, or classes might need to be rescheduled. This phrase helps in communicating changes without causing confusion or panic. Personal plans. Life is unpredictable. Personal appointments, gatherings, or trips can be postponed. Using this phrase helps manage expectations and keep everyone informed. 1. Due to the current weather conditions, we've decided to move the picnic to a later date. 2. The project deadline has been moved to a later date to accommodate additional research needs. 3. I need to move our meeting to a later date because of a conflicting appointment. Notice how in each example, the phrase clearly communicates the action of rescheduling without indicating any cancellation. It's also useful to know some variations of this phrase, such as postpone until a future date, reschedule for another time, delay until a later date. These variations can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your preference. Understanding and using the phrase, move to a later date, can greatly improve your communication skills, especially in managing schedules and expectations. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively in your daily life. Remember, mastering a language involves learning how to express nuances and handle changes smoothly. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.